So the one reason that we're trying to do this is currently we're in the practice of blanketing all of our fields to protect from any winter pressure that we get and cold pressure, also to help with greening up our fields
Great.
earlier in the year. The manpower that it takes to lay down blankets, currently on our facility, we're laying down 90 by 110 blankets to cover 17 athletic fields.
Oh, well.
That takes us about a week and a half with a crew of 10 people to lay it down. To go to this painting, we're taking it to one person over the course of about 3 days to provide roughly the same level of protection that a blanket does, as well as having to avoid overseeding, the cost of overseeding, to also avoid the cost of the man hours that goes into every other aspect of the maintenance we do here. Less inputs for fertilizer and chemicals as well, because our biggest push is to have green fields for the beginning of the season.
That's
and
great.
This right here helps us to give us a quality product without massive inputs of herbicides and fertilizer.